can't lie to you, these were probably better than the high versions. Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. My name is Edmund and in this video we will be reviewing a highly anticipated sneaker and personally one of the very few Jordan 1s I actually rate. This sneaker is the Jordan 1 Low OG in the neutral grey colourway. Earlier in the year we saw the release of the Jordan 1 High 85 neutral grey. This was the most recent release of that colourway since the original 1985 release. A few months later, Jumpman have blessed us with the low version, which was released back in 2015. Aye, these look icy. Wow. You can't smell it, but like if you have these, or even just any Jordan 1, you know that smell. You know that smell. Here we have it, the Jordan 1 Low OG neutral grey. Like the 2015 pair, Jumpman have given us the OG low shape, which is basically very similar to the 2015 pair. This pair, like the 2015 model, includes a much thinner tongue featuring the Nike Air on the tongue tab, compared to the modern day Jordan 1 Low, which has a much thicker tongue and features a Jumpman logo. Also found on the back of this OG pair is a smaller wings logo placed on the near top of the heel, compared to the modern day Low, which has a bigger Air logo featured in the center of the heel. This sneaker features a crispy white leather base with neutral grey accents such as the Nike swoosh, which is smaller than the 2015 pair. So Jumpman, Jordan, MJ, we need an explanation for this. The people need answers. Other grey accents can be found on grey laces. If you choose to switch, that's a very nice choice. I've seen some pictures online of people doing the grey laces and it looks very clean. The final grey accent comes from the neutral grey base. I can't lie, I feel like the grey is very light. There is a difference between the greys on the heel tab, the swoosh, and then the midsole, outer sole, apologies. So I thought the grey would be slightly darker, like it sort of match the grey on the tongue tab and the wings logo, but I guess it's how it is with the grey suede. Quality wise, these feel great. These really do feel great. The leather is definitely soft. You can definitely see the creases when you rub your fingers along this leather. I have seen people who own the 85 high version and they said that the leather on these is a lot better than the high version, which is actually very surprising because you'd think Jordan brand would prioritize the top quality leather for the high because it's a lot more popular than the lows. But I guess that could be one of the reasons to pick up the lows rather than the highs. Like mentioned in my Dunk High Panda video, link in the description, this sort of look on a sneaker might be seen as quite boring, but I do think this simplicity element is what makes this sort of particular look so popular. And the look's not doing too much, making this type of sneaker very easy to rock, whether it be dressy or just, you know, informal vibes. But let me know which of the two looks you prefer, Jordan 1 Lows or Jordan 1 Highs. We'll now move on to the sizing, the pricing resale of this sneaker, and then my overall final thoughts on the Jordan 1 Low OG neutral grey. For the sizing, lows are literally a chopped down version of Jordan 1 Highs. So if you are familiar with Jordan 1 Highs, then you will know to go true to size for Jordan 1 Lows as well. I got this pair of the sneakers up, thank you Nike Sneakers, for a retail price of £114.95. Resale wise, it's not looking too good right now, with pairs fetching for anywhere between £130 to £150 depending on your size. But either way, those prices, they're too good to be true. They're definitely a steal, and if it's true that the leather quality on this is a lot better than the high version, then you'll be a fool to not go for these if you are still considering the highs, but you may just prefer highs in general. Overall, I like these a lot, and I think they're a lot nicer than the highs personally, but I feel that way with most Jordan 1s which I like, such as Travis Scott lows and highs, Shadows lows and highs, and the Dior's. All the low versions of those models for me are better than the highs. But let me know if you agree with me on these Jordan 1 Low OG neutral greys being better than the high version, and in general, are you team low or team high when it comes to Jordan 1s. Feel free to drop any thoughts and any questions in the comment section down below. If you are team high, then you might like this video on the Jordan 1 High University Blue. If you prefer dunks to Jordans, then you might like this video on the Dunk High Panda. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also catch me on Instagram where I'm most active, so feel free to drop your boy a follow if you have not already. It would be much appreciated. Thank you for tuning in to this video, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay blessed.